We took the newly announced Nokia 9 for a spin at MWC in Barcelona, and its highlight was definitely the penta-camera setup. Each camera is a 12MP sensor with an f1.8 aperture, but 3 of these are monochrome whereas the other 2 are RGB lenses. While working together to capture a picture, the 5 cameras can capture 1200 layers of depth for some incredible photos, both in color and black and white. The phone appeals to photography enthusiasts with its ability to capture raw images and having 12.4 stops of dynamic range. All this is possible thanks to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845 processor on board. Nokia is using the chipset to its maximum potential alongside 6GB of RAM. We had some time to play with the phone, and so far I'm already curious as to what the camera can do, and judging by some of the photo samples, it seems to be doing quite well. On the front, you find a 6-inch Quad HD Plus display with no notch and an in-screen fingerprint sensor. On the top edge, you'll find a 20MP primary camera which also doubles as secure face unlock. There is also IP67 water and dust resistance alongside the Gorilla Glass 5 protected phone. And one of the cool things about the phone is the integrated breathing LED notification light on the power button, which is unique. Nokia's Android One is the cleanest Android 9.0 operating system you can find, and the company prides itself with how fast it can deliver updates. The OS is responsive and worked well with the device with no problems as expected. In a nutshell, the Nokia 9 Pureview is a very bold step from the company. The penta-camera is unique, but we have to play around a bit more to discover its potential. Hopefully we can have some comparisons up shortly. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.